Okay, so this is just a short video for you to see what a true wide-angle fisheye lens should look like. You can tell pretty easily that this light bulb camera has a lens that's truly fisheye. It has a slight curve to it. I'll try and zoom in for you to see it clearly. It's a bit difficult to zoom in on this, but you can tell that it does have a slight curvature on the lens. And when you put the light bulb in the socket, I will show you the field of recording that you can get with a true fisheye lens camera on the ICC app. It takes a little while for the bulb to catch the internet signal, so we'll wait for it to get connected and start streaming. It's just the regular ICC app. There you go. So you can tell the scope of the camera is pretty wide. You can see the bottom of the bathtub. You can see the edge of the bathtub. You can see a towel, a pink towel that's on the left side. You can even see on the right side. You can see the brushes, and you can see the roof. You can see the shower head. See how you can really see everything around it, and it's truly fisheye. And this camera, when you go to the settings and you go to basic settings, it gives you the option to turn on the indicator light or turn it off. See? So now let's check out the other light bulb camera that doesn't have a true fisheye lens. I'm just going to unplug this one from the socket, and here's the other camera that I received that has a flat lens that's not fisheye. You can tell right away that it's a flat lens. I don't even need to zoom in on that. You can see pretty easily that it's a flat lens right away. So let's just put it on the same lamp base. See how it turns on. And then we go on the same app, on the same ICC app before, but now we're going to check the flat lens video stream. We just need to wait for it to get connected to the internet, and notice how I haven't moved anything. The base is still in the same position. And look at the depth of field, very limited depth of field of this camera. Now the ICC app allows you to turn the image around, but that doesn't mean that this camera has a fisheye lens. You can definitely turn this around, but what you're doing is you're just turning around the video streaming of a flat lens that's not fisheye. Even if I try to use the app to increase the size or decrease the size of the video, it doesn't go beyond the tiny circular field that it has. See how you cannot even see the shower head, you cannot see the towel, you cannot see the brushes, you can't even see the bottom of a bathtub completely. I mean, not that I'm using these cameras in the bathtub, but I just figured that this would be a good place to show you that the depth of field is pretty different and that this camera really doesn't have a fisheye. And on top of that, if you go to the settings on the same app and you go basic settings, you don't get the option to turn on or turn off the LED indicator light. So it doesn't even have that. There you go, just to show that this is a flat lens, it's not fisheye. Thank you.